Yeah, so the bumper's broken. Not salvageable. So we're gonna have to get a new one. But like these companies, but they're charging $300 for shipping. I was like, yeah, right. But nothing salvageable. We gotta buy all new parts. What we do have is the radiator. Tomorrow or soon, probably at the end of this video, you'll see the car start up. Yeah, hopefully you don't see my address, but if you do, send me stuff. So most likely we're gonna have to get a new hood. The fenders are fine. This video we're gonna probably install the radiator, AC condenser, and also the radiator bracket. Have the car start, boom, boom, you know, boom, boom. And also mount the rear bumper better. It's loose. Probably gonna spaculat it or buff this out and then have to repaint it all. But I mean, we need a new rear diffuser anyways. So might as well get a carbon fiber one. Man's going broke.
Tjekaj w stronę Henko, bo Polsce obmanie proszę. Ta gumka, coś filtr. Sobie tym nie dał na pojbik.
Here we go, we got the rear bumper finally installed. Everything looks good, no gaps. So yeah, except for under here. I don't know. Might have to replace this diffuser, the carbon one. So I probably already said that. Those pipes. So now we're taking off the front, like, I don't know, bash bar, I guess. Gotta replace that. Took off all the hoses, the sensors, and crap. Now we're gonna try to pull it out. So I stopped recording, but we got this far. Hold up. We lifted the car on some wood, you know, easier to work on. Remove the whole front. Might have to replace the belt or upgrade it. If you want to sponsor me with a stage 2 dual poly upgrade, please sponsor. The new bracket, which is over here. Oh, there's the AC condenser. It's bent in half. Radiator, also bent in half. And the bracket's right under there somewhere. Oh yeah. We got the high quality jack stands out here. You already know. All the wiring's good. The coolant leaked everywhere, but you know we chilling. Got to change that crank pulley. You know we got to make that 500 horsepower. So you know we coming for you guys. Ooh, gang. New radiator. You already know. So the radiator bracket I ordered cracked right there. So we're either gonna try to glue it back on or order a new one. Probably gonna postpone the build for a week. So the radiator support bracket I buy is broken, so I just called the shop. They said they have one in stock, so hopefully it's the right one. You know? So we get started on this build right away because I'm not trying to wait a whole other week. But yeah, hopefully it fits. Hopefully it's the right one. So I'm just trying to be whipping, you know, kind of whipping. It's like, and I'm gonna wash my Civic first right now. You know, dang, it's bright. It's finally sunny in Washington. I got the radiator. I got the AC condenser. Now I just need this bracket, and we can start. You know, I had plans to make the car drive today, maybe tomorrow, and then we just gotta do body after that. Yeah.
You say 71 and you and 90.
So they had the part. Yay.
Andante fritto. My zaraz jemy.
So the new radiator that I bought, it fits, but one of the hoses doesn't connect good. So we basically, I don't know. So yeah, so we put the old one back in. We just bent it a little bit. I mean, it should work. We're gonna test out if it leaks or not. But yeah, eBay parts, am I right? So we had plans to start the car today. Oh crap, I'm mobbing. Sorry. We had plans to start the car today, but you know, unfortunate things do happen. So yeah, the bracket fits that we bought a new one because the other one cracked. We have bad luck, you know. And then where we're going to set up the radiator, we mount everything's fine. We put the radiator on, and one of the hoses, like the hose doesn't fit onto the mouth, you can say, of the radiator. It's not long enough. So the part, it's set, like when I bought it from the company, it said that it all fits, but it doesn't. So it doesn't fit. So now, we had plans to start the car, and then we put on the old radiator. We were like, screw it, we might as well use the old one. We put it on, we plugged everything in, and then we poured water into it to see if there's any leaks, and it just, all the water came out and just leaking everywhere. So yeah, so now I have to return the radiator that I bought, and then we also returned the first bracket we bought because it was broken as well. That one's broken, so I had to buy a second one. But I got a discount on second, which is like a little chip. So yeah. So I'm returning everything I bought. But thank God the AC condenser works. I mean, it doesn't work. We haven't tried if it works, but the AC condenser fits. It matches the OEM one. So yeah, tomorrow, or like the next clip or after this video, we're probably going to hopefully start the car. But it's just bad luck, you know, but it's going to be all worth it in the end. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I don't know. And follow me on Instagram. Bye.